In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark invoices as paid in Xero. First, open your browser and go to Xero. Sign in if prompted and make sure you're in the correct organization, especially if your login has access to more than one. It helps to have the invoice details you're working with nearby, like the customer name and invoice number, so you can quickly find the right record. Once you're on the Xero dashboard, look to the top navigation and click on Sales. Depending on your layout or regional settings, the menu label may vary slightly, but you're looking for the area where you manage sales transactions. This is where Xero centralizes quotes, invoices, and customer activity, so it's a natural starting point for anything invoice related. Next, choose Invoices. This takes you to the Invoices list where you'll see columns for contact, due dates, amounts, and importantly, the status. Common statuses include draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and paid. These statuses guide your workflow. Draft invoices aren't yet finalized, while approved ones are ready to send and collect. Open your invoices list and use the filters, search bar, or column sorting to quickly locate the invoice you need. Filtering by status is especially useful. For example, look for draft or awaiting approval if the invoice hasn't been finalized, or awaiting payment if it's already approved but still unpaid. Confirm you've got the right one by cross-checking the contact, issue date, and total. Click the invoice to open it. Take a moment to review the details carefully. Ensure line items, quantities, tax rates, and account codes are correct, and that the due date and reference fields match what you expect. If you attach supporting documents as part of your process, verify they're included. A quick review here prevents errors that could slow down payment later. When everything looks good, click Approve and Email. Approving the invoice finalizes it so it can be sent and tracked, and emailing shares it with your customer right away. In the email window, confirm the recipient address, add a clear subject line, and include a brief professional message. If you use online payment links or attach PDFs, make sure those settings are enabled before sending. After you approve and send, the invoice status will update, making it ready for payment processing and reconciliation. As payments arrive, Xero can match them from your bank feed, helping move the invoice to a paid status in your records. That's the process. Open Xero, go to Sales, select Invoices, find and open the correct record, review it, and choose Approve and Email to finalize and send.